Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook account. Before it, let me explain what is Facebook deactivation. Suppose you spend lots of time in Facebook and it's distracting you, then you decide to not active in Facebook. If you deactivate your Facebook account, then your account, photos, name, everything will disappear from Facebook. No one can find you on Facebook. But still you can chat with your friends in Messenger. They can also chat with you on Messenger. And after a break, if you want to active in your Facebook account, then you just need to log in to your account. That's it. Then automatically your account will be reactive. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure your Facebook application is up to date. Then open your Facebook application. After that, here click on three lines option. Then here tap on settings icon. Then here tap on account center. After that you will see here lots of options. You just need to click on personal details. Then here you will see your number, Gmail, birth of date, everything. You have to click on here account ownership and control. After that here tap on deactivation or deletion. Then here tap on your account name. After that, if you want to deactivate, just click on deactivate, and if you choose the second option, your account will be deleted permanently. Okay, I hope you understand. So now choose here deactivate account. Click on continue. Another thing, if you have any page on Facebook, then it will also deactivate with your account. Either you need to change your page admin. Okay, here click on continue. Then type here your password. Click on continue. Then here choose any of reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So here you can choose this is temporary, I will back, or you can write here your reason. After that, tap here on continue. Then scroll down. Here you can choose automatically reactive account system. Like if you take a break for 1 week, you can choose 7 days. After 7 days, your account will be reactive. If you don't want to reactivate automatically, then choose here don't reactive automatically. Then tap on continue. After that, here scroll down and tap on deactivate my account. That's it. Now your account is deactivated. No one can find you on Facebook, but still you can use Messenger with this account. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.